Hello, good morning, traders and investors. Welcome back to our morning trading recommendations channel for the morning sessions. Before we dive in, remember that everything we discuss here is purely for educational purpose. Make sure to do your own research or consider consulting a financial expert before making any investment decision. Now, let's starting off with the commodities market updates. Overnight, the soybean oil December month rose 0.16 to close high at 38.67. The Dalian active farmer contracts dropped 18 points to close to close lower at 7510 on the previous night sessions on last Friday night. Over in Malaysia, the palm oil futures gave up early gains and recorded a fourth straight weekly loss on Friday as the sluggish export data and weaker price of competing oil overshadowed the supply concern from leading producer Indonesia. The futures contract November month FCPO dropped 73 points to close lower at 3681. The pump price in the bigger time frame remain consolidates in the downward channels, which is also the bottom of the downward channels, indicating the directions remain bearish. Looking at the hourly charts, the price still trading within a sideways consolidation range. It is either looking to break up or break down from the consolidation box. The recent movement show the price forming a higher low. This is a previous low, and the recent low is over here on last Friday close. It is likely to see the pump price is supported and potentially moving upwards. However, the upside could be limited as we anticipate the markets currently is taking a breath from the recent selling. Right. So if the price could not break up the middle of the range around 3720 to 25, it will remain to trade in the downside buyers. However, if it could break above, then we might see the price to have a technical buying to continue to going up from here. So for the latest support to see at around 3670 to 75 over here, which is last Friday low. Well, the resistance is over 3700 to 3705. Okay, so for morning recommendations, our call will be long positions may be open above 3685 with the target at 3705 to 3719 and the stop loss at 3665. Alternatively, short positions may be open below 3685 with the targets at 3676 to 3657 and a stop loss at 3705. So next we're shifting our focus to the index market. On last Friday's overnight Dow Jones rose 96 points to 40659. The US stock closed higher on Friday, marking their largest weekly percentage gain of the year. Which is why they are concerned about the economy downturn, diminished and investors turn their attentions to the Jackson Hole Economic Symposium scheduled for next week. The FEMPLCI surged sharply on 6 consecutive sessions on Friday, driven by the buying interest in select heavyweight stock, minoring the performance of its regional counterparts. The FKLI August month rose 8.5 points to close higher at 1625. The index on this morning sessions break a new resistance. The price back into the top of the consolidations. Here's the consolidation box I spotted. Also the high is around 1634 to 35 range here. We'll see further higher movement to next resistance if this range could be break, and at the moment is breaking, and the next resistance will be watched at around 1639 to 40 here. And also we're expecting to see some selling pressures and consolidation trading if the price could continue to break higher to this level. The new support range to see around 1630 to 29. There's a consolidation over here, and here the support we spotted, right? So the sentiment remain bullish for the index market, and we'll continue the monitors. So here's our view for the morning sessions. As we wrap up the session analysis, keep in mind that the market is ever changing. Successful trading requires both seizing opportunity and managing risk. Stay adaptable to market change, protect your capital, and trade wisely. Keep in mind that everyone's perspective is subjective and the view presented here are for reference. Wishing yourself a successful trading. See you in the next update and happy trading.